Big walleye, look at that. Oh my God. Big. Snaker. Big walleye. Riley, we got our limit, buddy. That's our limit. Unbelievable.
All right, hey, it's Ty, and welcome to another episode of Get the Gaff Outdoors. In today's video, we actually did a little bit of walleye fishing this morning in some crazy weather. Hope you guys enjoy that. I'll show you guys that right now, and then hopefully show you me sticking a bear with my bow. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you out in the water.
First one of the trip, get him in the boat. Oh, he's going into grease tonight, buddy. Hell yeah. First one. I'm on. Oh, I saw a big one. We can just put him in the bottom of the boat. There's enough water.
Hey guys, just wanted to take a second here just to talk a little bit about what me and Riley are actually doing out there on the water. So what we're using are what's called bottom bouncers, if you're not familiar. A lot of people are, some people aren't. So I'll actually put a picture up right now, show you guys what that looks like. Well, this is the brand that we were using. Honestly, any brand works. I believe we were using 1.5 ounce bottom bouncers because it was really windy. The boat was moving different speeds, so it was really important for us to be able to feel the bottom. We couldn't do that with 1/8, 1/4, 3/8 ounce jigs very well. So we elected to use these bottom bouncers so we could keep contact. And then you can see that little spinner spinning off the back end, giving it a little bit of action as well. So that's what we were doing. If you guys have any more questions about the techniques that I was using or how we were doing that, please let me know down in the comments, but we'll get back to the rest of the fishing.
Hammered it. That was right away. We just dropped down. How's it look? Oh, you're wrapped up. Hey, he's bigger than the other one. Isn't he? We can put him on with. Getting that spot on the old Navionics. All right. Well, we're onto something. I don't know. He's gonna swim away in the bottom of the boat. That's a sauger. No, it's not a sauger. It's a freaking walleye. All right. I thought I felt a fish bite. Not terrible. Woo! That's a keeper. Sorry. This is crazy. Yeah, that's a keeper. Let's keep on the spot. I'm gonna mark it. We're on the back side of the island, like just, the whole lake is whitecaps. Unbelievable. Sorry, I'm coming this side. I don't want to show our friends him. Ooh, that's our fourth, buddy. I think we found ourselves kind of a spot. How about that? Good fish. I'm killing the motor. Good fish. Good fish. Good. Big walleye. Riley, big walleye. Big walleye. Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. Get down, get down, get down, get down. Big walleye. Look at that. Oh my God. Big. Oh, it's a pike. Oh, get him, get him, get him, net him, net him, net him. Ah. It was a pike. Yeah, he's gone. He bit me off. Ah. I thought he did too. I thought that was a 26-inch walleye. That was a keeper-sized pike, is what it was. Ah, if we can land him. Oh, that is a giant. I just might have missed. I don't know. Better one. Nice walleye. Nice walleye. Nice walleye. Oh, that's a 15, 16. Easy. Right in the same spot. Hey. Yeah, that's 16, buddy. Put him in our makeshift live well. We got ourselves a heck of a dinner. That paid off, Riley. I did not want to stay there.
I was like, I just started hitting good stuff.
I was banging like hell before he hit too.
Were you? I was not.
You're good, buddy. Whew. It is windier than shit, but we are catching fish. I am all right with it. Yeah. small pike? Nope, that's a walleye. God, he looks damn near keeper size too, doesn't he? Dude, in the shit, like it's raining, 80-mile-an-hour winds, but we're catching. We're catching. That was a double too, buddy. Yep, we got 6. We get 2 more and we got a limit, but if we come in with a limit, they'll be like, bullshit. Lower Falls.
Upper Falls.
Yeah, we went all the way up the lake. I mean, you can see it's real nice right now.
I wasn't in the water.
Yep, I thought I was on. Nice fish. Am I recording?
Yeah, friendly.
Oh, yeah, that's a nice fish. If this is walleye, this is nice. I mean, this is a nice fish. Nice fish. Nice fish. I'm calling pike.
Yep.
Snaker. Big walleye. Nice. Nice. That's a 20-some. Nice. Thanks for the net chop, bud. I got him. I don't want a picture of this guy. Oh, yeah. Let's go. That's what we came up for. 21. 21. 21. Going back. Let's get it, buddy. Let's get it. We're the only one in the group on the lake. Let's get. We're about to turn around. Hey, let's go right back into the shit. Yeah, we were. Doug. We missed Riley's, I'm gonna say 17, 18. Here, I'll put them on quick.
That's a good fish.
Oh yeah.
That's a freezer fish.
That is actually a freezer fish, Riles. That's a 17 3/4. 17 3/4. That's perfect. That was a fat fish too. Dude, we gotta get out in the crap. Gotta get out in the crap. That's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah, nice fish. Last eater. Riley, we got our limit, buddy. That's our limit. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah, I got you. You want to keep doing this? I'm down. Yeah, let's do one more. I'm gonna take us down there and then turn around and go back up into the shit, because that's the when we'd be doing the best. When we're going in. No, it's all good. I'm just gonna let the boat take us down a little bit.
Okay, you want me up front?
Yeah, we'll see. All right, let's let her rip. Wait.
All right.
Good. This is our giant motor. Let's get it. Onward bound. Cheeks and wings and fish and fish. Oh yeah. It's almost time. Yeet. 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 One more. Woo!